Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Fun Math. Please subscribe and support Easy Fun Math. X cube plus x square minus 36 equal to 0. So 36 can be written as 3 cube plus 3 square, which is 27 plus 9. So now we can rewrite this equation as x cube plus x square minus 3 cube minus 3 square equal to 0. So it can be arranged as x cube minus 3 cube plus x square minus 3 square equal to 0. A cube minus b cube is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So x cube minus 3 cube becomes x minus 3 into x square plus 3x plus 9. And x square minus 3 square can be written as x minus 3 into x plus 3. So now we have x minus 3 common in both terms. So now x minus 3 equal to 0 and x square plus 3x plus 9 plus x plus 3 equal to 0. So we have one root as x equal to 3. And then this equation is in the form of a quadratic equation. And the solution is minus 4 plus or minus root of 16 minus 4 into 12 by 2. That is minus 4 plus or minus 16 minus 48 by 2, which is root of minus 32. And 32 can be written as 16 into 2 or 4 root of minus 2. That is minus 2 plus or minus 2 root of minus 2. And root of minus 1, we know that it is I. So x equal to minus 2 plus or minus 2 root 2. So the solutions for x are 3 minus 2 plus 2 root 2 I minus 2 minus 2 root 2 I.